Hello everyone, today I will talk about Laravel installation or project creating problem. If you create a new project of Laravel, you can see this kind of problem. Fail to download Laravel from dist, the zip extension and unzip /7z commands are both missing, skipping. You can face this kind of problem, and this is very simple problem. Now I will show you how to solve this. To solve this problem, you have to go to the XAMPP local server. Okay, so first of all, go to XAMPP local server. Coming to XAMPP local server, you have to click here on config, then click on php.ini. Then you can see a text file. Now you have to search here, search extension equal zip. Here you can see semicolon extension equal zip. From here you have to remove the semicolon in front of extension equal zip. After removing extension equal zip, you have to save this and close it. Now go to command prompt and create new Laravel project and click on enter. And now you can see our Laravel project is creating, and we have successfully solved this problem. And now you can see it is loading and downloading our Laravel project, and it will create a new Laravel project inside htdocs subfolder of XAMPP local server. So this is how we can solve the Laravel installation problem.